Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we're going to do some Christmas in July, and a little fill the jar as well. And I was supposed to have $50 going into the envelope one, but I think I've spent it. So I'll put $10 in there at least, so I'm at least putting some in there every week. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $69 for this little one. And yeah, my neighbor just came in. He's like, "Did you hear Donald Trump got freaking shot?" Great. Now we're gonna have all the other nutcases out there. So lovely, lovely Saturday. Anywho, all right, let's get her done. Let's put $100 in here. Yeah, I was just gonna get started. And it's like, did you hear? No. All right, 100. Let's put that in 9, 8, and 9. That's 11. That's 9. All right. Put $10 in 9. Get an extra buck too, because I don't want a whole lot of dollar bills. So we'll just round her up. I got started way too late today for all this. 9. Boop, and that's a 10. There we go. It's starting to get there, but still very thin. Hopefully in a year or so it'll be nice and thick like that one. All right, let's get some Christmas stuff done. Let's get the jar done first. Ow. I had 16, actually I did the dishes, so I'm going to be $17 put in here. 15, 16, and 17. So 17 in here. Those away, so I'm not adding those. I've done that before. Or had them out there and ended up putting more in, or taking some out and putting in the other. So some dollars in here. And I need to go and condense this thing down into some bigger bills. And 10. Thing ends in. Let's put this up here. I swear I'm gonna grab that and put that in there. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 42, 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Is that right? 58? I don't think I had that much. 10, 20, 30, 35. Oh, yeah, that's all I do. Okay. I'll probably catch it on the thing if I'm wrong. But see, if I didn't, I probably would have grabbed all the other money too, and then I'll be like, what the heck? Oh, and then some odd change. I went and did clean my house today as well. And so we'll take those off and take that off. Oh, and I just threw those on the floor after when I just swept. And okay, let's see. Hopefully that matter. I can just tape it up. And there we go. Alright, let's do some Christmas. And yeah, I had some like little ones. I was gonna put all these on here and stuff, but I just didn't have enough, and they just kept falling out. So we'll just keep them in this. Don't bump that. And then I also have this. I'm going to use this kind of as a mini. I'll get a couple of these done, then do that with my 12. But let's get a little scratchers done, because I want to use my new vacuum. I want to use my vacuum. Might end up having to get more ones out of the other one, but I want to at least do 20 or... Yeah, okay. I want to use some and some and some. My brain is just... This whole week has been not long enough vacation. All right, and I will use one of these to show where I'm at afterward. I want to at least get a couple of them done, and then we'll... Last time I actually got one of everything, which was nice. And these are from the Weekly Budgeter. Let me write that down so I can know what I'm putting in my description. Weekly Budget. These are the ones I used today. So keep that track so I can make sure I give the right shout outs to those who have such good artwork and stuff. Okay. Let's do this one then. Okay, I'm not shaking the camera. All right. And it looks like $8. Scratch. Let's see how well this picks up. Actually, a pretty good section. $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll put that over here so I don't. Let's do one more. I have stuff on one side and one on the other side. Next year I'll be more prepared. I'm gonna get some of those rings and do some of these bigger ones together. Since I did that side, let's do over here. And it's like a $5. All right. $5. So we got 10, 13 so far. Yeah. I can do another one. And this one doesn't say how many is in here. Let's do a... This is a mystery one. Ooh, $2. Oh yeah, I like this one so much better. So much better. 1, 2, 3. 3 back and put a 5. So we've got 15. I want to at least do 20. And then the rest I'll just throw in those for ones. Ow, use it as a mini. Depending on where it land. I could probably just do a couple of the smaller ones, or I can... I might. Who knows? I haven't decided. Let's do one more. $55. Okay. Let's get his hat. I'll probably take this out later. Oh, is that a 9? Oh, right. All right, 9. No, I'm just going to round up. It's my money and I'm going to use it at the same time. So I did that one. So next time we will start with the Ralphie. Ralphie? Yeah, I think it's Ralphie. It's some Ralphie. And we will got 20. Another 10 and some 5s. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52, 54, 55, and 56 so far. Plus I have 100 and something in my Christmas one that I've put a little bit here and there away. So cool. And that will not close. I'll have to get a rubber band. I guess I could put it here. Will it stand up? There we go. And then in this one, I will do my, I think this is the 12-sided dice. And, oh, 11. That means the first off is an 11. This might be a very short one. Oh, let me drop me. Let me do a piper. Little blue. Piping, I might just fast forward through this. $11. I hope I get those big ones out of the way, then I don't have to do them next time, right? Oh, that's Lord's Leaping. That's a Lord's Leaping. Piping. And I put that on the wrong side. La 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 la. 11 pipers piping. 10 Lords a leaping. 9 something something. Maids milking. Swan swimming. Blah blah blah. Golden rings. La 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 la. Something something something. And that's a 9. Is that a 9? No, that's a 6. That's a 6. I always forget the line underneath. That's the one you want. So we got $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll keep the $1 and put it in the $1 one. 6 geese lazing. Very lazy, lazy geese. Let's do some popcorn. Oh, popcorn. And we'll do let's do blue and green. And this will save it like 364, somewhere around there. And you could always do this, whatever the denomination that you want. Denomination, that's 5. Now I just need to go and figure out how to do a freebie thingy. I was watching some videos. It doesn't look like it's too difficult. And we'll just put that in one in the part fig and a pear tree. I need to clean this. I think I got a coffee stain on here or something. Little part fig and a pear tree. $1. Let's do I'm gonna make me a green fig. Or a blue fig, not a green. I am not colorblind. Let's see. Do I have a green? Do I have a green? I got a green pencil. Give me a green pencil. There we go. Yeah, if I have dollars left or $1 or $2 left, I can always throw them in here. Or put them in my other one. Ready. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Here we go. Gotten started on our Christmas. It'd be nice this year. I don't have to put all my Christmas stuff on the credit cards. That's what I used to do. I had my Comdata card, which is my work Visa card. Like 20% or 30% would go on that card, and the rest of it go to my bank. And usually about 2 or 3 months before, I'd start trying not to spend hardly any money on that card, and then I try to build it up to like $400 or $500 or even up to $800, and then I'd use that to buy everything, and whatever's left over or whatever I did pay, I'd pay in the credit card. But unfortunately, sometimes, more often than not, it's like I'm going to save it up, and then you need it and you spend it, and then by the time Christmas comes around, you're just using a credit card and you're spending the rest of the year trying to pay it off. And then you have something go wrong, and the water heater blows up, and or other type of bills come up. It's like, oh, I'll just use a credit card. I've got that thing paid off. I'm just down to $500. I can bring it up to another $500, and you're always chasing your own tail. So hopefully this year I won't have to dip into any of my credit cards. I can just pay cash for everything. Alrighty, well, thank you for joining me on. This will probably come out on a Wednesday. Or Christmas in July Wednesday day or whatever. Looks like we got a storm coming in or something. It is blowing. Alright, thank you again. Love y'all. See you next time.